Hey guys, so today is a perfect day to clean out my daughter's room. It has been a long time overdue. She was hurt about a month ago and we just really haven't kept up on things. This is all clean, by the way. I just have to put a lot of laundry away and there's just a lot of stuff. I want to make it really nice for her and give her a little bit more space. Closet's not bad because I recently went through everything and organized it and decluttered a bunch of stuff that no longer fits her, but we'll just tidy everything up a little bit. I like to start by putting away all the laundry, so then this way everything is put away and I can just get to organizing and cleaning. And if you see me cracking up, it's because I'm listening to a podcast. It's really funny. But I find that to be the best way to get any of my chores done is to listen to a podcast, or if I'm having a conversation or just watching a YouTube video. My routine is to fold everything and then I just put aside anything that needs to be hung up, and then once I get everything that was folded put away, then I move on to hanging things up and organizing the closet. I was looking for something to organize my daughter's leotards with and I couldn't really find something, so I ended up using plastic clear shower hooks and then just putting it on the hanger, and it works so good to keep them neat and organized, especially the ones that have the stones or something that you don't want to fold up and get ruined. So if you have a gymnast or a dancer, maybe this will be helpful for you. Now I'm just going through and decluttering some of these headbands. She's got quite the collection. She loves it, so I got to keep them all, try to keep them all nice and organized, and then just decluttering any old crafts and stuff that are in the closet that have been there for a while. Just make room for her. And I'm just now going to go through some of her drawers that I forgot to go through, especially pajamas, and just remove stuff that no longer fits. And there was also a bunch of toys and random stuff that I found that needs to be moved down to the playroom, so it'll just free up some area and not crowd everything. Okay, so I've gotten everything out of here that doesn't belong in the bedroom, and I finished putting everything away and getting it organized so that it works. There's a lot of blankets, so I'm going to fold them up and then I'm going to remove the extra ones, and I keep them in a trunk in the other room because we just have so many blankets. I don't know what goes on or where they even come from, but there's so many blankets. This is the area that she's been complaining the most about, and that's her little desk area. There's a lot of stuffed animals, so she said to get rid of some of them. Some of them she actually took out the night before, so I don't just get rid of her stuff. I always talk to her about it first, because she's at that age now where she would get very upset if I just tossed her stuff. So I have to be mindful of that. But she did ask me to organize it and just get things to work a little bit better. So she has these bins that I got. I got them off Amazon. They're great. They fit underneath the desk area perfect. And I'm just organizing her stuff by category so that frees up some of the room on her desk area. She likes to keep all of her little skincare stuff there. But there was a lot of empty stuff, garbage that she wasn't using. So I'm just going through and making sure all of the garbage and clutter is cleared away. So it's looking so much better. It's functioning so much better. I couldn't even pull this drawer out. My camera cut out, but I reorganized everything by category. I got rid of a ton of stuff. So now I am just going to finish up by vacuuming and then dusting. This clean actually took me 2 days because I only had like an hour or so at a time. So here's day 2. And don't ask me why I didn't just remove everything off her desk before. I wasn't thinking, but whatever. And it's getting done. And I'm just using the Method multi-surface cleaner to wipe down all of the furniture. And she usually dusts her room, like the baseboards and some of the furniture and stuff, because she likes to earn some chore money. But once in a while, you got to really get in there and give it a deep clean. So I typically do this like every 3 weeks, and it definitely needs it. Like, it was looking really rough. And when I do these deep cleans, I make sure to move the furniture because there is so much dust. So I just moved this out, and if I'm being honest, I don't even remember the last time we cleaned back here, but the amount of dust is crazy. There's your reminder to pull out your furniture every once in a while, pull out your bed, and get all of the dust and the allergens that are collecting that you can't see. To get up on a chair to do this part, because I can't even tell you the last time I cleaned up here. It looks so much better. So now I'm just gonna make the bed and finish up, and then I'll be done. So I'm finally done. That was a lot of work. It was 2 days, but it's because I just have to work with what time I have. Sometimes I don't have the most time, but it looks so much better. The desk area is really cleared out. Now I have like little baskets that she can put everything in. I got rid of so much stuff, so she just has like everything that she needs. It's still very excessive, but when I say that I couldn't even shut this drawer before, so much better. Got rid of a huge bag of stuffed animals, so we just narrowed it down. So she actually has room to move now. I showed you how bad it was behind here, how dusty it was. So we cleared all that out, cleaned everything, dusted, and it looks so much better now. So she will be home, and I think that she will be happy that she's got more space now. It's nice and clean, and a bunch of stuff is decluttered. Got rid of a bunch of clothes that don't fit, and it's much more manageable now. So I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.